Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the jack socket, the headphone jack, in the Samsung Galaxy Tab A6 tablet. The first thing we need to do is turn off the tablet. Never clean the tablet while it is turned on. So if yours is on, you need to turn it off using the power button and the power off option that appears. Next, we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so that it softens the dirt and allows it to evaporate from the tablet, and then so that the contacts are cleaned as well, and afterwards so that the alcohol completely evaporates and leaves no trace, because otherwise the contacts would get dirty again from the residue left by the alcohol if it wasn't pure. For this, we also need a round brush for cleaning, with bristles about 3 centimeters long. The bristles are thinner at first, then wider, so everything is just as it should be. And you can buy this brush and the diffuser together as a set on Allegro or Amazon. All of the sets are basically the same, so whichever set you buy, you'll have the complete kit. So we thoroughly spray the brush with alcohol. We take the tablet in our hand. Yes, here we have the jack socket. We insert the brush into the jack socket as far as it will go and turn it to the right 5 times. Then turn it to the left 5 times and remove the brush. And we repeat this process at least 5 times to make sure the contacts in the socket are thoroughly cleaned, and if there was any dirt inside, it will be removed by the brush. Turning the brush like this will get the dirt out. After the whole procedure, set the tablet aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate from the headphone jack, and then you can turn the tablet on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.